Basla, what is it?
Choo-choo train.
Your sister got you choo-choo trains?
Choo-choo train.
Thank you, Annika. Can you say thank you to Annika?
Thank you, Ida.
What did you get for her? Is that for her?
Choo-choo train.
Yay!
Basla, this is for your sister. Can you give it to your sister? Very gentle, gentle.
Right here.
Yeah, hi Annika. This is from Basla.
Right here.
Thank you, Basla.
Thank you. She loves it. What else is in here?
Choo-choo train.
Thank you, Annika.
Do you like it? Wow. She got you a choo-choo train?